Sinong meron mong story ito? Alam nyo? Kasi nung araw, di pa uso yung mga cellphone. Nung mag-boyfriend kami, ang uso yung mga CB radio, yung over-over.
Right.
So, pag gusto namin magsabi ng, syempre naririnig yun, public ano yun, di ba? Sa ere, pag gusto namin I love you, ang code namin, 1020. Ganun. Paglabas ng ano namin, bakit 1020? Sabi ko.
Pero ang tunay na 1020 is, where are you?
Ha? Totoo?
Ayun ang 1020.
Talaga
Where
ko
are
alam
you?
yun.
Di ba? Nasaan ka?
Mantakin mo, 42 years, di ko alam yun.
Madalas mo ako hinahanap. Nasaan ako?
Ay, hindi! Ikaw nang turo ng 1020, yung pala ibig sabihin nun.
Oh, yun ang ibig.
Pero code natin yun.
Nasaan ka?
Okay.
Nasaan ka dahil?
Nasaan ka?
Hinahanap kita.
Hindi yun ang nangyari. Kaya pala naman. Kaya naging ganun. Nasaan ka? Yun. 1020.
But you know what, just to let you know, when it was announced that we were going to do a concert, a lot of our friends and
Our fans.
yeah, they were thrilled.
Yes.
But there was one special person.
That's true. It was more than that.
It was more than that for this one
That's true.
person.
She wasn't just thrilled. She had a wish and a dream.
Yes.
And we would like to fulfill that dream for her as well as maybe have the three of us stand here together like the family we once were and always will be. Ladies and gentlemen, Maria Cristina Cassandra Cuneta Concepcion.
Ito ang madalas kong pinagdadasal na sana one day we could sing a song together.
I'm glad you came.
But this was a surprise.
Yes.
I just found this out.
This is impromptu. Biglaan. Ang galing mag-aral nito kasi alam mo naman, nasayo ko man.
Hindi ko lang din na mag-aaralan to. Pareho kami.
Pero I have a song for Chris. You have a song for her.
Sing that song.
Usually, this song is sung as a love song. For weddings, for someone you love. Tonight, I will sing it for my eldest daughter. I have 4 children. I do not have 3. I have 4. The first child to come and make me feel like a mother was this not so little girl beside me anymore. But she made my life complete. And if there is anything I regret, tigilan niyo yan. Sorry, kids, we couldn't give you that complete family. But you have 2 families loving you. Yes. And Papa and I never stopped loving you. And you were never the problem. I love you.
Okay na kayo, ha?
Kanina pa kayo nag-holdingan. Huwag ka masyado naman chill kasi lagi mong kasama. Hindi naman ng konti. Namimiss
Makita
mo
ko
rin.
lang okay na sila. Okay na rin. I'm happy.
Mag-i-intertwine na nga yung mga daliri ninyong dalawa pa, ma.
May crush ha?
I know, kumari ka pa pa.
Sandali lang.
Oh, confirm.
Sandali lang.
Sabi ko may crush sa kanyang papa niya. Sabi niya, I know.
Ma, tagal natin nagsama tayong dalawa lang.
Oo. Sige, kaya nga pagbibigyan kita. Congrats.
Grabe, para naman ako nasa isang panaginip. Naku, ano kayo nangyari dyan?
Okay, ikaw marites ka. Sige, sayan eh.
Kinikilig ang...
This is for you, Tutu. This is for your kukay, kachuchay, katutay, tuti, tutu, my baby girl. My eldest.
Saling pusa ako dito.
Ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal. Ko
sa aking dasal. Sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang mahalin kong baby ko'y ikaw. Ang ilaw sa aking mundo, kabiyak nitong puso ko. Walang di kahatiman saglit. May away na sa likod. Teka lang, moment ko to. My gosh! Ang sarap niyang makita together sa isang stage.
So happy.
Ngayon kailan may ikaw ang lahat ng aking galaw, ang sanhin ay ikaw. Sandali ay talaga. I was sitting sa audience and I just thank God. I thank the Lord na nagkaroon tayo ng time na ganito. And ang dami kong natutunan from yung napapanood namin lahat dito.
Our story na.
Now, yes.
Even your time of birth.
Yes, wala nga ako dun nung mga Dear Heart days.
Nakikita mo naman, mapapanood mo sa YouTube.
And buti na lang,
Oo.
dahil doon nandito ako. Hindi pa yung Dear Heart, mga later on. Mga, I love you so much. Pa, I love you so much.
I love you too. Let's just put everything together and let's be happy.
Yes.
Yeah,
So-
because enjoy your time together. Your papa will take care of you.
Yes, and Ma, thank you for sa lahat ng single moms na nandito ngayon or naging single mom dati. Thank you for loving your children the way na minahal ako ng mommy ko. And sa lahat ng mga fathers out there na talagang mahal na mahal ang mga anak nila, Papa, thank you for being there just like mom sa buhay ko nung lumaki na ako, tumanda ako. And, you know, yung past na yun eh. But what matters is yung ngayon and yung bukas. And so, pareho kayong mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal.
Right. Nag-usap na lang tayo sa record. Alright.
I will trust in the way I raised you along with Mita, Tatay, all of our extended Gamboa family. I will trust in the way, in all the values we instilled in you. And I'm sure you'll make not only me, but your papa very proud.
Thank you.
I love you, Christine.
I love you too. You both are my dear heart. I love you.
I love you. Okay. Nag-uusap na lang kami dun sa likod. So the night has almost ended. We have a lot of people to thank tonight. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. First and foremost for coming. Like I said, our friends, our bosses, all our sponsors. Of course, our band. Maraming salamat.
I miss you, Mom. I
Halika,
miss you.
sunduin natin si Ma'am.
Okay. Ma,
Binigay ni Casey to sa akin kagabi.
Match ng ng mic.
uupo na po ako doon para mapanood ko na po yung concert ninyo.
Calling na sa mga nakatalit sa
Kailangan ko
baba.
ng tulong mo, Ma.
Okay.
Love you, Ma.
Love you, Toon.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Gabby Concepcion and the megastar, Ms. Sharon Cuneta.
Nakaka-weird naman marinig yung megastar galing sa anak mo. And that is Mike Scherberger. Hindi ko ma-memorize yung last name mo, Mike.
Woodridge. Woodridge. Alright.
Michael Wolverine from Chicherland.
We'd like to thank and acknowledge our producer.